virtual assembly. Today I, Jasleen of class 5th B,
and I, Tanishka, are here to conduct today's morning assembly. Jasleen, doesn't it feel like we are back school again?
Oh yes, indeed. I'm very happy to get this feeling. So before proceeding, I would like to thank our worthy academic advisor ma'am, principal ma'am and all the teachers for showing us a ray of hope in this crucial time by providing online classes, conducting various activities and above all giving us a feel of school which we are missing a lot.
Prayer binds us with God and brings us nearer to Him. It is an amazing tool to communicate with universal power. So join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer.
Dear friends, smile. It's the easiest way to build up a positive attitude which brings hope, courage and buoyancy into one's life and makes it easier to handle the worrisome situations of life. Now, our friend Pranshu will take us through some thoughts about positivity.
Hello friends! Today's thought is train your mind to see the good in everything. Positivity is a choice. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. So dear friends, be positive. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you Pranshu.
Reading newspaper is a good habit. The updated knowledge comes from reading newspaper daily. But in the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read newspaper in the morning. So, Harnoor will apprise us today's news headlines.
Good morning everybody, and today's headlines are Amitabh Bachchan is sharing regular posts from hospital. Reliance Jio announced Made in India 5G network, new Android OS with Google and 8 other things Reliance Jio announced. Vellore attack pilots say you were part of horse trading. Now some news from sport world. Saurav Ganguly goes into have home quarantine after his brother tests COVID-19 positive. After a resounding defeat, England will travel to Manchester to face West Indies in the second test. Thank you.
Now, Bakul will suggest some simple and practical ways for developing a positive attitude.
Good morning everyone. Some simple and practical ways of developing a positive attitude are: number 1, choose to be happy. Number 2, get more pleasure out of simple things in life. Number 3, find reasons to smile more often. Number 4, have faith in yourself. Number 5, associate yourself with happy people. The final positive one. Every morning, say to yourself, I can. I am sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Bakul. So before we conclude, let's find out what our friend miss most about the school.
Friends, I hope all of you have enjoyed our assembly. It's time to say goodbye. So, goodbye everyone. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.